Catherine, and we both love stars.
However, due to various reasons, we can't stargaze as much as we want to.
I'm sure you love stargazing as much as we do.
So that's why we decided to develop a program called Stellar Project that basically tells you where each star is, as well as gives you some basic.
So I'm in charge of the graphics design component of this program, and basically what that means is that I had to make all the background and stuff that you see in the program. So what I did was I used another program to get all the star locations, and I screenshotted this, and then I transferred the screenshots into Photoshop, where I use the background as a guideline to draw all the other stars so that they'll all be accurate. And what I did basically was that I made a few layers. So one of them was just a plain black background, and then I made the star background, which is just using paintbrushes and layering them on top of each other. And then I added the important stars that we were gonna mention in the program, and I added the names after that. So yeah, and this is for Beijing, and I just repeated the process for all.
And I'm going to explain the coding and researching parts. Well, this is my first time using MATLAB GUI function, so the coding is not well structured as I have expected. Anyways, this is what the main page looks like. Alright, looks something like this, which contains 6 continents of the 7 continents, the credit file. Anyways, so for the main page, I used guide function, which looks like this. And however, sometimes I have experienced problem with the background because the tag sometimes does not save. Whereas like here, the tag, sometimes I just have to type bkgr and then create callback functions. Like here. And here you can see that I used mshow to display the JPG file as the background. And for the other callback functions, I basically just simply typed the name of the GUI file to call the GUI the sub-GUIs. Just for demonstration, I'm going to open the North America one, which you can see the background which Hannah made it, and then which shows the location, date, and time on the top right. There's also a pop-up menu which is here. Opening the .m file, we can see that here I used mshow again to display the background. And there's pop-up menu. I used get to get the lines which the user has chosen. For example, Vega is like the second line, this one is the first line, etc. And I use switch case to decide what to display. And after that, I use set to set the text box, like set what to display in the text box. For example, the first line just an empty text box, and the second line there's like some basic information about Vega, which
So now
I copied.
I'm going to give a demonstration of how the project runs. So basically, you select your continent. Let's do Asia, and then you select one of these celestial objects, and over here is the information blurb about it. So yeah, thanks for watching.